For a lot of people, they think that protein shakes are absolutely disgusting. Let me teach you how to make the best tasting protein shake ever. So let's start off with the liquids. Today I'm going to use 1.5 cups of macadamia milk. Next, we're going to put some fruits. I'm going to start with some fresh strawberries, some fresh blueberries. Over here, I have some frozen mangoes. The ice and the mangoes will keep the consistency of the shake absolutely perfect. Now, the reason I like to use this EAA product, essential amino acids, is it gives the shake a nice sweet flavor. I really enjoy the flavor of this bone broth protein. Now, the reason why I put some frozen fruits and some non-frozen fruits is so that it makes it easier for the blender to mix everything up together. And I like to add this collagen powder in my shake. This way, it gives me an extra 10 grams of protein. And there you have it, a perfectly prepared protein shake with over 30 grams of protein. And here's the best part, it tastes absolutely wonderful. Let's taste it together. Absolutely delicious and healthy. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, give this video a like, and check out these other great videos.